Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. I'm Naveen, and in this video I'm going to show you the demo of our plugin called Buddy Notification Bell. So this plugin is created by Buddy Developers, and basically this plugin provide real-time notifications for BuddyPress and BuddyBoss related community websites. So it shows the notification in the same manner like you get notification in Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter in real time. So in this video, I'm going to show you the demo of this plugin because this plugin is recently updated and we are committed to update it in coming futures too with more and more functionalities. So here I'm in the BuddyPress website that I have created on my localhost. It using BuddyX theme, but you can use any theme you want. I'll go in the WP admin section and I will click on plugin and click on add new plugin. And here basically I will search for a plugin named Buddy Notification Bell. I will install this plugin and I will activate it. On activation, you will see a notification menu in the left hand side. If I click on it, you'll see all the different settings of this plugin. The main setting of this plugin is whether by default it is enabled, and if you just refresh your website now, you will see a notification window, a notification bell at the top, and if you click on it, it will basically show you all the notifications. Now let's talk about the setting first. We'll go in the journal section. Here we have an option to enable or disable the notification sound. Then we have a notification so unread notification count badge on the bell. If you want this unread notification to be displayed here, you can enable it. Otherwise, if you just disable it, you won't see the notification count here. Instead, when user click on it, then only then they will see the notifications. Then you have the bell position in the menu, whether to move it left or right. Then you have this setting called notification list style, where you can choose whether you want individual notifications, separate notification for each notification type, or you want them to group like 3 friendship request notifications. In the display section, you have an option to disable this bell menu from the menu item from the menu by enabling this setting. You can also enable a floating bell bar. So if I just refresh my page after enabling it, you will see there is a floating bar on the right hand side. And you have this shortcode tab where you get an information to copy this shortcode and you can place it anywhere, wherever you want to display the notifications. You can also use it in your code template like this, or maybe extend it like this. So now I'm going to show you an example of real-time notification. So I will open a incognito mode, and here I will log in with other user that I have. So as you can see, I'm logged in with other user Abha here, and here I'm logged in with admin. I will go to member page and I will click on admin. So in BuddyPress, basically whenever somebody send a friend request or somebody send a private message, then the user get a notification. So I'm gonna send a friend request to admin and we'll see what happened. You see now, we got a, I'm not sure if you hear that voice, but we got a ring sound, a bell sound, and we got this notification in real time which says you have a friend request from Abha. Similarly, if I send a private message to admin, I'll have to wait some time and then you will get a real-time notification. As you can see, you got a 2 notification sound and it says Abha send you a new private message. So this is how basically the real-time notification works. So you have two options, either you can keep this menu version of bell or you can keep this floating bell icon. Both does the same work. So if you're owning a BuddyPress or BuddyBoss community website, you can try this plugin. And if you face any issue, let us know in the WordPress plugin support section, or you can also tell us in the comment section of this video. We will help you. And we also provide WordPress and community site development support. So if you need any help or if you are facing any issue with your BuddyPress or BuddyBoss website, you can book a 30-minute free consultation call with our community site expert. The link is in the description of this video. So see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.